Peace and love, everybody. This is Young Nas from iGotOptions LLC, and in this video I want to talk about how much money you need to start investing or trading in the stock market, right? And the truth is, you can have as little as a penny or a dollar. However, what I would recommend for people to start off with is at least $100, because with $100 I think that's a sufficient amount of money to make good returns off of. You can buy option contracts of cheap companies but still make good returns. But I would recommend that people who are willing to dive into trading or investing start off with at least $100. But I mean, at the end of the day, it's what you can afford to risk and put up to the table. But that's after paper trading, right? So I would recommend putting in money once you know what paper trading is and once you've simulated certain plays that you thought about in your mind, right? So after you have experience, simulation trading, then that's when I would recommend for people to start putting in $50, $100, right? And depending on the broker that you use, you actually can buy fractional shares of certain stocks. But as far as how much money you should put in when you're trading, obviously however much you can afford, but I would recommend putting in at least $100 because you can effectively build your account up from $100. That's what I would recommend for people who are willing to get their feet wet when it comes to trading and investing.